Hey there xCloud users. Welcome to a new xCloud tutorial where we will show you how to create a demo site on WordPress using xCloud. First, log in to your xCloud account. From the xCloud dashboard, click on the Add New Site button on the top right. Choose the server from the drop-down where you want to create a demo site. Click on the Next button and move to the next step. From the various options, proceed to install a new WordPress website. Enter a site title. Select the demo site option. Next, toggle to enable WordPress multi-site. Select subdirectory or subdomain from the drop-down at right. Set all other options as per your needs. Choose your preferred blueprint for the demo site, like we've selected Elementor websites from the options. Expand the more advanced settings section for additional settings. From the PHP version drop-down, select the version you want. Click on the Next button to proceed. xCloud will take some time to set up the demo site. Congratulations! This is all you need to do to set up a demo site on xCloud. Click on the magic login button at the top right of the site dashboard to access the site. Let's visit the demo site. As you can see, xCloud has successfully set up a demo site according to our selected settings. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wishing you an awesome WordPress hosting experience.